Alright, so today I'm going to be unboxing the Deity VD3 shotgun microphone, and I'm going to check out what it can do, what it has inside the packaging, and then what's the warranty on the product. Now, right off the bat, it does come with a small white box and then the paperwork itself. What the paperwork it says, it has a free 12-month warranty, meaning that will give you an extended year over the 1-year warranty that the mic already has. And from there, it also comes with the dead cat. The dead cat is designed so that it can block out wind noise when you're vlogging or when you're traveling outside, so that you can get better microphone quality through your recordings. It is pretty soft, I mean, not too crazy or anything like that, pretty standard. And it does have the little sling on the side so that you can adjust it and pull it so that it fits the microphone itself. Now, opening the box, you get a little adapter, a little red and black adapter. I don't know what the adapter is for, maybe for a different type of camera or something like that. But it does come with a small little screw on the side. It does look like you can rotate the adapter itself, so that I believe you want to get a different position for the microphone for different cameras, you can do that as well. But other than that, I'm not too sure what else it does. And then it also comes with a little tool right here so that you can adjust the direction of the accessory that comes with the microphone. Okay, so looking at the front of the box, you have the microphone with the windshield that you can see from the inside. And then you also have the back of the box. It gives you a couple of details of what the microphone is. So it is a super cardioid polar pattern, meaning that it's going to be very directional. And then it also has a low self noise, meaning that it's not going to pick up much noise around, and that the noise floor should be as quiet as it can be. Alright, so taking out the microphone out of the box, the first thing I'll get is the manual and the warranty information, basically telling you how long is the warranty, and then all the little details on how to use the microphone as well. Now, taking out the plastic cover, so you have the microphone, the shotgun mount, and then you also have the windshield. And you have the little 3.5mm TRRS connector. This connector is designed so that you can connect to your laptop, to your smartphone, or to your camera. And it's also a coiled cable, so it does stretch out depending on how long you need it. And then it also comes with a little AAA battery as well. And then again, here's the microphone. So it's already mounted onto a shock mount itself, and you do have the windshield. But looking at the microphone first, it is pretty small for its size, nothing too crazy or anything like that, so definitely very good for small compact cameras with the mic input, or you just don't want a long heavy shotgun microphone onto your mount. Now, going from there, I did take out the shotgun mount and the windshield. I'm going to check out what it has. So first, I thought it was a little slot on the back to take out the battery, but it looks like there's actually a small lever on the front. So just pull that, and that's going to be the little slot for the little AAA battery. That's what's going to power the microphone for, I think it said for around 200 hours or so, or something like that. And then you do have the little power, not power button, but it's more like a LED notification, meaning that once it's connected to something and has the AAA battery in, it'll turn green, meaning that it's connected to your computer, to your microphone, to your camera, or to your microphone input of whatever you have. Alright, then we're just checking out the design one more time. The feeling of the microphone itself is not too high quality or anything like that, but it will get the job done. So it doesn't feel like high quality metal or solid brass. It doesn't feel cheap either, so you're definitely getting what you pay for. And here's the windshield for the Deity microphone. It is pretty small, and it feels pretty standard for what it comes with. Nothing too crazy or anything like that, but it'll definitely help so that your plosives don't go into the microphone itself. That way the audio doesn't sound too distorted or anything like that. And then here's the warranty for the Deity V3. So it is 1 year standard warranty for the microphone, but with the packaging it does say give you an extra year as well, so that you can extend it to 2 years. Okay, here's the item checklist. So the microphone, the windshield, you also have the PRS connector and everything else, and it shows you how to connect it to your camera as well. So just insert it to the cold shoe, turn it on, or not even turn it on, just plug it in, and then the LED light will just turn it on by itself. The microphone itself, I do like it because it's really small, especially if you're starting out. But not only that, like, it comes with all the accessories you would need to use the microphone. It comes with the battery, comes with the little audio input connection, and then also has the windshield as well with the dead cat. All the audio for the video right now, it is being recorded on the microphone itself. And so that's everything that comes in the package itself. I hope you guys liked the video. Press that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications so that I'll let you know what other videos I'll be uploading. And then if you guys want me to try another microphone, say from a different brand, say a shotgun microphone or a cardioid, feel free to let me know in the comments below, and then I'll definitely check it out, see what's going on.